So today we will be unboxing the 2018 edition of Alton Towers Monopoly. So as you may know, Alton Towers had various different versions of their Monopoly sets over the years. It's normally based around the newest attraction, and they'll leave it to run for a couple of years or so. But this one I particularly loved when I first saw it. I think I saw it when Wicker Man opened up back in 2018, and I love the ride. I love Wicker Man. It's a really great coaster, but I especially love this actual artwork that was used to promote the ride back in 2018. So when I saw this, I was like, this is awesome. So I'm gonna place this on my desk. I will put footage up while I'm going through it, so don't worry about that. You will see nice up close details. Yes, so let's get this party started. Lovely box opening action there. I do love that artwork though, you gotta admit, that is cool. I really love the fire Alton Towers logo. I've always loved that. So first up we have a pamphlet with other Hasbro games. We have rules. Oh yes, instruction manual. I'd advise everyone to maybe give these a look over, because I've played Monopoly with so many people over the years who just have been passed on the worst set of rules that don't even exist. So yeah, you might actually we have the Alton Towers Monopoly Money. Oh yes, here we go. It actually says Alton Towers on there, which is quite funny because I eBay a lot of random stuff, right? And I looked at eBay for the old Monopoly set with the smiler on it, I think it was, and I noticed in the picture it was Aston Villa money. And we have our cards, so title deed cards. This one here is a Runaway Mine Train. Yeah, with this you're actually buying attractions, so rides and I think like hotels. I think that's we'll get into their board in a sec. Community chest cards. You are tall enough to ride Nemesis, collect 200. Oh yeah. You have survived the Master Blaster at the water park, advance to go. Any other funny ones in here? Renew your Merlin annual pass, pay 100. So yeah, really liking these card designs. I love the Alton Towers purple. It's got a nice little icon of the frontage of towers there. So yeah, we've got the board there, but we'll come back to that. Let's just have a look at these. We just got our houses and hotels. We've got some dice and a speed die as well. Obviously the speed die, just you can add that in to speed the game up. I've never actually used it myself, but might actually give it a go. And yeah, we've just got the average playing pieces. It would have been nice if we could have some custom playing pieces, but it's not much of a deal. Oh, extra. Oh yeah, we've got a top trumps card here of the Wicker Man sculpture. Which is, if you've played Top Trumps, if you've got the Alton Towers set, that is a really good card actually. I've got 2 of these from the year Wicker Man opened, but that is a fresh one. That is nice. Okay, so let's check out this board. Okay, yes, a nice, really nice looking board, decent quality. So what differences do I see? So go is the same, jail, yeah, parking. So yeah, the corner ones are the same. Obviously they are all attractions. So we have like Sharkbait Reef, Heave Ho, Battle Galleons, all in the same colour group. We have the towers, the gardens and Skyride in the same colour group. Hex, Spinball Wizard, Woodcutter's Bar and Grill. We have Nemesis, Galactica and Roller Coaster Restaurant. We have the Smiler, Oblivion, the Fried Chicken Co. and yellow. We have 13, Rita and the Burger Kitchen on green. And we have Jewel on Wicker Man on the blue. So the travel spaces are now hotels. So yeah, we have Alton Towers Hotel, we have Alton Towers Water Park, we have Alton Towers Enchanted Village, and Alton Towers Splash Landings Hotel. So utilities wise, we have annual pass, we have Towers Trading Company. What is the other one? Alton Towers Spa. But yeah, as you can see, like I say, that image again, it's very similar to the front cover. Not only do we have Wicker Man right in the middle, but we have Smiler, we have 13, we have the towers nicely lit up there, which I'm really big fan of that. We have Nemesis peeking out at the top, Oblivion, yeah, Oblivion's there. And where is Galactica? I saw Galactica on the box, but I can't actually see it there. Well, they've left Galactica off. Poor Galactica. If you're a fan of Alton Towers, especially the Wicker Man, what better way to play Monopoly? So there we go. There's the unboxing. But I guess the real question is, how does it play? Wow, it's Monopoly, isn't it?